It's the RH to the EEE. You're rocking with the best from the CPT. You already know. Namhlanje niphathele none other than Ikasi Rap King. You understand? All the way from Gauteng, Gauteng namhlanje. Joes. You understand? Sibheke Soweto enhle. Yeah, Nthola. So siyavaya Cape Town to Soweto. We're here now with the king of Ikasi Rap, Ma7. Ma7 ugqiba uqabula elinye igqajolo. You understand? Elithi Ikasi. Ma7 brand new single Ikasi. And umeki legend, Yvette, maninzi la magama King. Yanthola. So make uqabule ingoma entsha ethi Ikasi. You understand? So mjidi yaziwa man yanthola, like from days of what you call days of La Race, Miss Plus Jam, yeah, Sotra Cypher, make on his tribes. So let's go straight to it, man. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and fucking subscribe. Let's go.
Ayo, what up, my king? Ayo, what up, Chica?
And then nobody. Oh, man, if you put
fast ungaras yeah shayela phansi wase wone custom iskhipa kanja bayakhalisa bogel basekaslam mawayisa bayakhdela mahasman mawayisa yakhenda mahrotman wase wone custom iskhipa kanja fast ungaras yeah shayela phansi wase wone custom iskhipa kanja bayakhalisa bogel basekaslam mawayisa bayakhdela mahasman mawayisa yakhenda mahrotman wase wone custom iskhipa kanja ayiglazi wakhona endikhulele Soweto boy glass keeper khona wena faka ikhana uzobona la ngiphila khona diplomata sikhiphe kasi kulaba ngifila khona nina niphila so thina ekasi ntwana siphila so nina niyayesha lempilo and thina show nomikila shot sahlanganisa sibe top lento siyayenza noma abanye bathi singama flop phuza maranya phuza ungalinga usukele groove yekelo bluza urumelele kustudla nesilendo uchuza ngathi mina nguzwa enhle kunguza na unguza ukufela ziwa noma kunini
Dog. Not everybody can rap like this, fit. Banqabile abantu abarapper like this. Abantu abarapper like this are gifted with this shit, dog. Or they took time to rehearse and practice indlela yobhala, dog. Not this guy as a rapper, bet blue, you, two. Mnganam, la way kuthiwa zi-multi syllables for umuntu ongayaziyo, but like la rhyme scheme bakuthiwa yintoni, kuthiwa zi-multi syllables xazibizwa. You understand? Let's bring it back.
sahlanganisa sibe top lento siyayenza noma abanye bathi singama flop phuza maranya phuza ungalinga usukele groove yekelo bluza urumelele kustudla nesilendo uchuza ngathi mina nguzwa enhle kunguza na unguza ukufela ziwa noma kunini ekasi ngitshelene silungu kune sound namabhiya nabotheki kume namba iyasituma sishayiveni udwa ngemnyama sobe ngigqime eshawele emalahleni
Soweto.
fast ungaras yeah shayela phansi wase wone custom iskhipa kanja
Hit. Banger. This one is on my playlist, dog. Faka kwi-playlist yami. No. Uphuma kwamapha, ngifaka kwi-playlist. Nah.
bayakhalisa bogel basekaslam mawayisa bayakhdela mahasman mawayisa yakhenda mahrotman wase wone custom iskhipa kanja bakhona bokapatia khona nesiphilele ibhiya bakhona bomama mia khona tsukhona mandiya bakhona bagade wena yazabona ogada once waphumelela bakwenza imbewu bayaplanta mara now uyazi
Then Gaboti, not everybody can write like this, dog. Not everybody can write like this, dog. Not... cut.
Bakhona bogabadiya khona nesiphileli bhiya bakhona bomama mia khona tsukhona mandiya bakhona bagade wena yasilabo nogada once waphumelela abakwenza imbewu bayaplanta mara now uyazi gaw that's how we live mama mia khona tsukhona mandiya
Angathi yaphumelela bakwenza imbewu bayaplanta. Not everybody can ride like this.
Bakhona bagade wena yasilabo nogada once waphumelela abakwenza imbewu bayaplanta mara now uyazi gaw that's how we live khona baphilela ugada ukuthi ubani unamalini MGB Gauteng sekhona nabo nyawupesi lezo ziyankenya ziko grand life upstairs thank God feeling nemithi kimi bambile echo kade nezitha zingakubayizisi bad boys baphethe ingahla kulama passage SOWETO crisis ngene ufana
Gqebothini. Not everybody can ride like this, dog. Mamela.
nemithi kimi bambile echo kade nezitha zingakubayizisi bad boys baphethe ingahla kulama passage SOWETO crisis ngene ufana unotsekele kugqwale lakhe ibhruku iphathe yonke ube mthebelele uphile life good kohluka ukutshela imedium senesikhwele glory yazwayo cause I love my hood ungalimi udeleli gas nas ungashuka bakabe fast ungaras shayela phansi wasebone gas yami sikhipha kanjani bayakhalisa bogel basekaslam mawubayiza bayakudlela amahasman mawubayiza yakhenja amahrotman wasebone gas yami sikhipha kanjani ibububu isidimo asindabeni
Ma 7 bathi hip hop ifile ifanjani when there's someone go 20 25 still ubhala third verse fair to third verse unqabile dog niggas don't want to write anymore bro bafuna shortcut ways fast niggas don't want to write dog. What happened to third verse? Nangu third verse, dog. So gqaba bathi hip hop ifile ifenjani kusekho ma 7 dog. Njani bafethu man. Njani
makwayiza yakhenja amahrotman unezokhekasta miskhipa kanjani ibububu isidimo asindabeni mongana nyuke yami ebhiyu ungayirhalisi sikhula ibisi lidura la emhlabeni kabazali bethu inyuku bayibeke emabeleni ichop lasiphana non-stop semkonti dog nejango ngayithola ugogo boy awudakwa nayithola nechot lezon bamba nayitos ayakhenya ufayinam sorenga ngamagush namasushi nana mina ngicathi ihleve singene ejozi shaya ibhasi wena ushaye house breaking wiclever makungana abantu hawu yabheda umoshe ekasi ulahla umlilo yabona ilokishi limnandi wena umoshe impilo ayisuku ngazosikhenya baba shifta yiso cela amafliti lapho nithi jovicho ungalimi uthelela ikasi nasi ungashuka bakabe fast ungaras shayela phansi wasebone ikasi yami sikhipha kanjani bayakhalisa bogel basekaslam mawubayiza bayakudlela amahasman mawubayiza yakhenja amahrotman wasebone ikasi yami sikhipha kanjani Buze dawo kancane ngothu uyangithola akakhokhe lo mlu buye sibaya amabhodlela ayi2 nephono was uzobona igasi lami sikhipha kanjani was uzobona igasi lami sikhipha kanjani gaw mabuwe
So tell me, ababathi hip hop ifile ifenjani hip hop? Yeah, understand. The reason why bathi hip hop ifile it's cause kufe talent yababantu baphaphezulu that they look up to. Gaba bafileyo ngokubathi hip hop ifile because niggas ran out of shit to rap about. You understand? That raw shit you want, you shin. You understand? Not even as in raw, as in hardcore. Nah, dog. The way by TV by funayo, it hits, nanti banger, dog. What more do you want? You understand? If you find talent, you can't dog. or go to the fucking internet. When I'm the internet, I was like, what the fuck is this? Let me go and fucking set up equipment them and react to this motherfucking shit. You understand? Because it's dope like that. You understand? This one, I'm like, nah, let me set up, quick. Shout out to my 7. And my 7 is not your average rapper, dog. You understand? Nigga been around. You understand? I've nigga been around. You understand? I've been cooking. So where to Yamaz, my 7? It chose Yamaz, my 7. The castle rap, my fucking king. Dude is even featured by Big Zulu on the new album. Big Zulu. I think they go way back or Bakebane conflict, but that's not for me to talk about right now. Just celebrate the artist, dog, for giving us this music. Alright. Don't forget to like, share, and fucking subscribe. Umdofuna le ngoma. Sayifaka link up at description. You understand? Nale music videos sayifaka link ya up at description. So if you ufuna usibukelela without watching me reacting to this shit, benthethi kake ngapheli. Link lapha ku description. Go support that nigga. Let's run up the numbers, man. Salute!